Are you ready to take your manifestation game to the next level? Do you want to learn a rare, unique, and powerful technique from the legendary Neville Goddard himself that will help you fulfill your deepest desires in a matter of days? If so, then watch this video till the end, because after watching this video, you will be able to manifest your desires faster than you ever thought possible. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to it by clicking the red subscribe button below this video and pressing the bell icon. So let's get started. Before we dive into this technique, I want to warn you that it's going to challenge everything you think you know about manifesting. But that's the beauty of it. This technique works in harmony with how your subconscious mind operates, and that's the key to unlocking lightning-fast manifestations. First, you need to understand that your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite universe. It's how you manifest. You don't create anything in your life that doesn't originally come from your subconscious. So it's essential to understand how your subconscious operates. Now, the technique itself is straightforward, but it's counterintuitive to everything you've been taught. The key is to give up your attachment to the outcome. Yes, you heard that right. When you let go of the desperate need to manifest your desires, they come easier and faster. It's a unique paradox, but it works. On the one hand, you want something badly. You have a burning desire for it. On the other hand, you're letting it go. You don't care if it manifests or not. It's not that important. This fulcrum, this special paradox between wanting and not wanting, is where the magic happens. It's where you tap into the power of your subconscious mind and connect with the infinite universe. John Wooden, a legendary basketball coach who won more games than any other coach in history, had an interesting philosophy for his players. He trained them to never look at the scoreboard during games. This may seem counterintuitive, as the scoreboard is a key indicator of success in sports. However, Wooden's approach was focused on the present moment and giving it all in every single play. According to Wooden, focusing too much on the outcome, or the scoreboard in this case, can actually hinder your ability to manifest your deepest desires. When we become fixated on a specific outcome, we may unknowingly block the flow of energy that is necessary for success. This can slow down our progress and make it more difficult to achieve our goals. Wooden believed that the key to success was to focus on the present moment and give 100% effort to every single play. By doing so, the outcome would take care of itself. When you stop needing a specific outcome, you open yourself up to new possibilities and opportunities that you may not have even considered before. This philosophy can be applied to many areas of life, not just sports. When we become too fixated on a specific goal or outcome, we may be limiting ourselves and our potential for success. By letting go of the need for a specific outcome and instead focusing on the present moment and giving our all, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and opportunities that we may not have even considered before. Neville called this the knot technique, and it's based on Neville Goddard's ladder technique. To truly grasp the knot technique, one must first understand the law of assumption. The law of assumption dictates that we attract into our lives what we think about and focus on. If we constantly focus on the lack of something we desire, we will attract more of it. To effectively use the law of assumption, it is crucial to let go of the need for a specific outcome. When we are in a state of need, we emit a vibration of lack and desperation, which attracts more of the same. Instead, we should focus on embodying the feeling of already having what we desire. This is where the knot technique comes in. Neville Goddard explains the technique as imagining a ladder and climbing up it to reach our desired outcome. However, instead of affirming that we have reached our goal, we imagine each rung of the ladder as a step away from our desired outcome until we reach the bottom rung. At that point, we affirm that we have not yet reached our goal. By doing so, we are embodying the feeling of already having what we desire while also acknowledging that we have not yet reached it. The reason the knot technique works so well is that the subconscious mind doesn't understand negative words. It only understands creation. So when we use negative affirmations like "I don't have my specific person" or "I don't have $10,000, our subconscious mind blocks out the negative word and only hears the affirmation as "I do have my person" or "I do have $10,000. This can lead to confusion, which is the opposite of what we want. But when we use the knot technique, we're not using negative affirmations. Instead, we're acknowledging that we haven't yet reached our goal while focusing on the feeling of already having it. This sends a clear signal to the subconscious mind and helps us manifest what we desire without attracting more lack into our lives. Let's take the example of manifesting a new car. If we focus on the negative aspects of what we don't want, like a car with high mileage, a car that breaks down frequently, or a car that's too expensive, we'll only attract more of the same. But if we focus on the positive aspects of what we do want, like a car with low mileage, a reliable car, or an affordable car, we're sending a clear signal to the subconscious mind and increasing our chances of manifesting our desire. The knot technique is simple yet powerful. It allows us to focus on the feeling of already having what we desire while acknowledging that we haven't yet reached it. This sends a clear signal to the subconscious mind and helps us manifest our desires without attracting more negativity into our lives. Remember that a positive mindset is essential for successful manifestation, so you must have a positive mindset while practicing this technique. A positive mindset helps you to focus on what you want and believe that you can achieve it. When you have a positive mindset, you are more likely to attract positive experiences and opportunities into your life. One of the key reasons why a positive mindset is important when manifesting is because your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. If you focus on negative thoughts and beliefs, you will attract negative experiences into your life. However, if you focus on positive thoughts and beliefs, you will attract positive experiences. This is why it is crucial to cultivate a positive mindset when manifesting. While traditional methods such as positive thinking and affirmations are effective, many lesser-known techniques can help cultivate a positive mindset. One technique is power posing, which involves standing in a confident and assertive posture for a few minutes each day. Research has shown that power posing can increase feelings of confidence and positivity. By standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, chest lifted, and hands on your hips, you can create a sense of empowerment and positivity within yourself. Using positive language can also be an effective technique. The language you use can have a significant impact on your mindset. By positively reframing negative statements, you can shift your focus from limitations to possibilities. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I'm working on this." This simple shift in language can help create a more optimistic mindset. Practicing mindfulness is also considered an effective technique for developing a positive mindset. Mindfulness is the practice of being present at the moment without judgment. By focusing on the present moment, you can reduce stress and anxiety and cultivate a sense of calm and positivity. Try practicing mindfulness meditation for a few minutes each day to reap the benefits of this powerful technique. Creating a positive jar is another unique technique for developing a positive mindset. A positive jar is a container filled with positive affirmations, quotes, or memories. Whenever you need a boost of positivity, you can reach into the jar and read a positive message. Creating a positive journal can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life and increase feelings of gratitude. Surrounding yourself with positivity is also important for developing a positive mindset. The people, media, and environment around you can influence your mindset. By spending time with uplifting and supportive people, consuming positive media, and creating a positive environment in your home or workspace, you can surround yourself with positivity and increase feelings of joy and optimism. Another effective way to cultivate a positive mindset is to express gratitude for challenges. Instead of seeing challenges as negative experiences, you can choose to view them as opportunities for growth and development. When you face a difficult situation, take a moment to reflect on the potential benefits of the experience. What can you learn from this situation? How can you grow from it? By approaching challenges with a mindset of gratitude, you can reframe them as opportunities for personal and professional growth. Having a positive self-image is crucial for maintaining a positive mindset. When you have a positive self-image, you feel confident and capable of achieving your goals. To create a positive self-image, start by identifying your strengths and positive qualities. Write them down and focus on them every day. Remind yourself of your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. When you encounter challenges, use your positive self-image to help you overcome them. You can also surround yourself with positive people who believe in you and support your goals. By creating a positive self-image, you can maintain a positive mindset even in the face of adversity. Accepting failures can also be helpful for building a positive mindset. Failure is a natural part of life, and everyone experiences it at some point in their lives. However, the way we respond to failure can have a significant impact on our mindset and overall well-being. Accepting failure involves acknowledging that it is a necessary part of the learning process. It involves reframing failure as an opportunity for growth and improvement, rather than a personal reflection of our abilities or worth. When we accept failure, we are able to let go of negative self-talk and limiting beliefs and focus on moving forward. Finally, the last technique to cultivate a positive mindset is to use positive self-talk. Positive self-talk involves using affirmations and positive statements to reinforce positive beliefs. When you use positive self-talk, you reprogram your subconscious mind, which helps you maintain a positive mindset. To use positive self-talk, start by identifying negative self-talk patterns. When you hear negative self-talk, challenge it with positive affirmations. For example, if you're feeling anxious about a presentation, you might say to yourself, "I am confident and capable of delivering a successful presentation." By using positive self-talk, you can reframe negative thoughts and beliefs into positive ones. This helps you maintain a positive mindset and approach challenges with confidence and optimism. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this technique by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.